Hello, this is Nathan Romano from Publi Expert, and I want to show you our chat bot with AI. The interface is very simple. This is one of the easiest ways to create a chatbot. So the first thing we need to do after we sign up and we get our account is to go to our agents. If you don't have an agent, you will be asked to create one and choose a name. After you choose the name of the agent, the first thing you need to do is, with your OpenAI API key, go into the LLM option, choose which AI do you want to use, choose the model, okay, and paste your API key. Save settings. After you're done that, you can start working. The first thing you can do is change the logo, put the name, a description of what your business does. Then again, the name of the business, a description of your business. And you can start training your chatbot with the Knowledge Hub. This is where the magic happens. Now, if you have things that change constantly, you can do real time, for example, website, or if you have products, you can do Google Sheet. If you have information that you want to train it, you can do Google Doc. If it's a one-time training, you can do a summary of your business. You can ask it to search on or read your website and be trained on your website. If you decide to put a YouTube video, you can, but you have to say what the video is about. You can upload PDFs, docs, and comma delimited files like Excel. You can also do interactive training with pictures, videos, links, iframes, which means you can put any type of code that you want it to open, and it will open it. You can also set a calendar, recommended article, and Q&A. Q&A helps you pinpoint the right answers for the questions that people have. You can also start the collection data. This allows you to connect with your CRM. You can ask for name, email. You can ask for more questions. You have to create a Google Sheet, a Google spreadsheet. You need to give it access to our bot to read and paste the link. You can give it instructions for when people finish giving the information, and after collecting the information, you can say, give an instruction to do nothing or open a URL. Discover helps you find information that you can answer. If you click on Discover, it will start searching for information on the data you've given, and you can answer those questions. Okay. You click on the question, you get a summary, you can create an answer and create it. In the behavior, we can give it a style of answering. It can be short and direct, auto, long and detailed. We can remove apologies. In the language, you can speak all languages or make it one specific language. In quality control, we can prevent hallucinations, prevent unrelated conversations, and prevent offensive messages. In the human takeover, you have different options. What we have set here is our WhatsApp, but you can open an iframe, again, suggest an email address, or run a code. How you can integrate this? Well, we've integrated this with WhatsApp, and we put a text that is sent as a message, so we can pinpoint where this message came from. You can type the trigger phrases that people might type for you to have the chatbot send them to the link. And you can put negative keywords that you don't want the chatbot to open this human takeover. So which tools can you use? WhatsApp is one of them. You can run the code if you use if you want to use any chat that you can work with. They have a code that you can insert here in the code section. We've done this with Talk2, which is a free option, and it works perfectly fine. You can have custom prompts. I'm sorry if my AI is bothering you here, but I don't have an option to hide it right now. You can have custom prompts. We usually don't do anything there unless you really know what to do there. You can put rate limits so you don't use too many chats every single day. You can have the agent ID, and you can read the conversations. This is where the history of all the conversations gets stored. So some of them are going to be in another language, as you can see. And you can fine tune it. I don't understand German. But if there's one answer that you didn't like, you can fine tune it, tell the chatbot what to answer, and that's about it. Now, to integrate it to your website, you have your chatbots. So if you already created one, you choose that one. You can choose whichever you want to work with. Once it's selected, you choose the source. So you already have an agent. Here's the agent that I trained. You can change the look and feel, logo size, and you can actually preview it here. You can preview everything you do here. You can have the behavior if you want a realistic thinking bubble, disable the message input. You can have only buttons show up, and open links inside the widget browser or outside. Okay. You can change the greeting. If you just want to work in another language, you can change it to anything you want here, paste it here, and you can tell it how often you want to display it. You can add quick replies. You can change the color schemes. You can change the font. Now, what happens when you reset the chat? Reset the chat is when people click here, which they need to manually create that. Reset chat, you can do nothing, or you can send the email transcription to your email or any email that you want, so you can get the information of that chat. You can do translation strings here. If you want to ask people to accept the GDPR, you can do it here as well. And you can link to your terms and conditions. You have your chatbot ID, elements. You can insert custom code if you need to or want to. And this is the fun part. You can get a link. Okay, you have a chat link for us with Public Expert with your custom link. So you can actually send this chatbot over to people via email, messaging, have it as an autoresponder, whatever. It doesn't matter. They will get this on their browser. QR code. If you use this in your products, if you use this in print, if you use this in ads, people will go straight to your chatbot, and people will be able to ask questions about your business and your products and your services. You can also instant embed it. You embed it on the website. And once you embed it on the website, you link it, and you need to tell it where you want it to show. You can show it on all pages, some pages, directories, trigger. You can do whatever you want here. After you've done that, it should be running there on the website. Or you can do an iframe embed, which doesn't matter where you paste it, it's going to work. And we have webhooks. What to do after it collects data, for example, or what to do after someone opened the chatbot, or it's minimized, or the customer is greeted. You can have different webhooks. And you can test your chatbot right here. So for example, I want to book a meeting. I've created a booking code. it's going to ask me for my name. Okay. It's going to ask me for my email because I requested it to get this information. Let's say that I want a booking, or I want to book a meeting, or whatever booking you say. It opens our booking code where people can actually book a call. If the size is not right, then you can change the size, you can change the way it looks. So in the look and feel, I can see the width is not the best. So let's do a 420. That's better. Nice. Now you can see the code correctly and you can book a call with us. And you can continue the chat now. Well, I hope you like what you see and that you see the potential of having this a 24-hour, 7 days a week salesperson, support agent, everything that you want. We're running a special right now, a special pricing, where you can get unlimited chatbots for your website or any of your websites or your customers for $27 per month. This promotion will not last long. All you need to do is visit us at publiexpert.com, chatbot AI, and subscribe. You will get your account as soon as possible. Here you can read all the things that you can do, all the ways that you can train your chatbot, and you can subscribe here. Once you're subscribed, we will manually create your account and send you the login info. You will log in through chat.publiexpert.com. Okay. Well, thank you for watching, and we hope to have you very soon running your own chatbot with AI.